We'll guide you through how to provide feedback to ChatGPT effectively using the latest methods available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the ChatGPT website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, and after interacting with ChatGPT, you'll notice a feedback option usually located at the end of the response. Click on that feedback button to begin. You'll see a pop-up or a sidebar that allows you to rate the response with a thumbs up or thumbs down. This is your chance to let the system know if the answer was helpful or not. After rating, you'll have the option to provide more detailed feedback. It's a great practice to be as specific as possible here. Mention exactly what you found useful or what you think could be improved. This helps the developers understand the context and make necessary adjustments. If you have encountered any issues or incorrect information, note that down too. There might also be a text box where you can suggest any features you'd like to see in future updates. Once you've filled in your comments, make sure to hit the submit button to send your feedback. This feedback is crucial for improving the AI and making it more efficient and accurate for everyone. Remember, your input can lead to significant improvements in how ChatGPT operates. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.